Philips X-treme Ultinon LED is the solution for those who want a bright improvement. This light really shines like a light from a spaceship. What kind of spaceship is that? They are innovative and futuristic. We put this about a month ago and they are so shiny and crystal clear and they power on instantly. You can put X-treme Ultinon LED in a projector or reflector light bulb housing. Projector headlights has that lens on the front that looks like an eyeball circle. And reflector headlight is bigger and covered with mirrors inside headlight. So today we are going to try these Ultinon LEDs on Skoda Octavia. Philips rates this bulb at 6500 K. It should look like a little bluish at that color spectrum, but after installing them, the color of this bulb is really pure white. So this bulb could be very nice upgrade if you wanna match headlight bulb color to the white LED DRRL strip. These are dual beam LED headlights. Dual beam means it got a high and low beam built in one bulb with two filaments. X-treme Ultinon is much more compact version than other H4 LED bulbs. The other neat thing about this is that it has fanless cooling design. So that means long lifetime and that Philips Airflux cooling system is very efficient. The glare produced by Philips LED bulbs versus the glare from factory halogen bulb has much more brightness, but the Philips LED bulb still shares a similar glare pattern. We can say that the amount of light above cutoff in the center of the beam is about the comparable. That cutoff line is designed to allow light to help illuminate road signs, and here Philips also has the edge of better visibility.